If you want to enable or disblend or customize your camera watermark on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all, open up your camera. Now tap on those four dots and tap on your gear icon. Now we gotta scroll down to our watermark, activate our watermark, and tap on the switch. So now it's activated. You can see it on the preview window. So you can edit what info to show, your model name or your custom text. Right, press save. Now you can enable your date, time if you want to, and style PM or 24-hour system. You can choose your font. You can choose the alignment and the side. And now all your pictures which you're gonna take will have that exact watermark. If you want to turn off your watermark, once again open up your settings and turn off the switch near the watermark. And if you're gonna take a new picture, it's gonna be without a watermark. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.